If you're watching this video, you have a LuJam sensor and want to install an endpoint agent. If you do not have a sensor yet, please go to the link in the description and sign up to a trial sensor. If you want to know more about LuJam, please see our intro video. Installing the LuJam endpoint agent is very simple. If you're running your DHCP server on the LuJam sensor, navigate to my.lujam.local:8080. If you are not running the LuJam DHCP server, navigate to the LuJam dashboard, go to Settings, DHCP, and find the IP of the LuJam Advanced Cyber Protection Unit. Input this IP into your browser and follow it with :8080. From here, navigate to the Downloads page. The installation process differs depending on whether you're installing the agent on a Mac or a Windows device. In both instances, you simply download the required script and execute it as instructed. We will demonstrate this process for an OS X endpoint. First, download the required script. For a Mac, this is the mac_configure_osquery.sh script. Next, open up a terminal. You will need to run the script with admin privileges. Execute the commands as per the instructions. If you do not have osquery installed, it will ask you to install osquery and rerun the script. When finished, the agent should appear on the Agents tab. Job done! You now have the LuJam agent installed on your device. The agent will query your device and report to you via a weekly email that goes out on a Thursday morning. The report will look something like this. Results with a red priority level mean that the device which osquery is reporting on is out of compliance with Cyber Essentials. An orange priority level means that the device is out of compliance with best practices, and a black priority level means that it is something you should consider. It also checks a number of common applications installed to see if they are patched to the latest version. These are shown below the main table. Priority 1 is the most important. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this guide useful and that you're now fully set up with the LuJam endpoint agent.